The Masters of Arts program at Alma College is a new program that was built in response to the call of the shortage of special educators in the state of Michigan. Last year, we were able to partner with Talent Together and graduate 19 new special educators. So the program continues on. We have full enrollment for fall, and we have a lot of returning alumni coming back to our master's cohort. We are so proud of the clinical experience, along with the coursework that comes along with learning to be a new special education teacher. I need to create those experiences that say, I'm going to support you. I'm going to train you in best practice. We are going to make sure that you are prepared for that first year of teaching so that we can add to the retention of special educators into the field. We have a partnership with our local probate court judge who comes and talks to us about how to work with students who are at risk. We have a partnership with our local elementary school where I teach for the entire year. And then we disperse and we work with approximately 30 students who are at risk, and students with disabilities, students with IEPs, and then we come back together and we talk about those lessons and how it went and what adjustments need to be made. And then finally, they have that full student teaching experience where I'm right there with them. I'm a text away. I am there to support those students to make sure that they can actually use everything they've learned here at Alma College to provide services, the optimized services using high leverage practices and research-based practices to support those students with disabilities so that we can support them throughout Michigan and really ultimately help improve the lives of a student with disabilities and the graduation rate across the state of Michigan.